Want to master Fiverr's buyer requests section and win more projects? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to effectively handle buyer requests to stand out from the competition and secure more orders. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The buyer request section is a goldmine for finding clients actively seeking services, but competition is fierce. Let me show you how to craft responses that grab buyers' attention and win you projects. First, check the buyer request section daily and sort by recent to find the newest opportunities. Early responses often have a better chance of being seen by buyers before they're overwhelmed with offers. Read each request thoroughly before responding. Understand exactly what the buyer needs, their budget range, and any specific requirements. This allows you to tailor your response directly to their needs. Craft personalized offers that address the buyer's specific pain points. Instead of using generic templates, reference details from their request and explain exactly how you can solve their problem. Include relevant portfolio samples that demonstrate your ability to handle similar projects. Choose 1 to 2 of your best examples that directly relate to what the buyer is requesting. A crucial pro tip: avoid sounding desperate or making unrealistic promises. Instead, focus on demonstrating your expertise and how you can deliver value. Also, be mindful of your pricing. Don't drastically undercut your rates, but consider offering competitive pricing for requests that align perfectly with your skills. And just like that, you've mastered the art of handling buyer requests professionally. Strategic, personalized responses will help you stand out and win more projects through this valuable Fiverr feature. If this guide helps you secure more orders through buyer requests, please give it a like. What's your most effective strategy for standing out in buyer requests? Share your tips in the comments below. To continue expanding your Fiverr skills, subscribe for our next video on how to send custom offers on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.